Have you ever made a grid before? Well, they can be quite easy, but there is one crystal that you definitely need to have, and that is a clear quartz or a clear quartz point. In fact, I like to have about 4 of them. Why is this? Well, because they're really good at directing energy either into your life or out into the cosmos, depending on what your intention is. You see, you may have seen pictures online or read different books where grids are quite complex, but basically grids are combining different crystals together to work together for one single purpose. So, to do a really simple grid, pick one main crystal. I sometimes call it the master crystal, and that kind of really embodies your intention. If you want to attract love, it could be kunzite. If you want to bring in money, it may be citrine and so on. Then grab your 4 clear quartz points and put them around that master crystal. Now, if you're trying to draw something into your life, have those quartz crystals pointing in, directing energy into your space. But let's say that you're making a world peace or a healing for someone else grid, then you want those clear quartz points pointing out, so they're sending energy in all directions. Now, around those clear quartz points, you may want to put other supportive crystals as well. For example, if you're wanting to attract love, you may have kunzite in the center, which is my favorite stone for attracting a soulmate. But then I might have citrine to make sure that they're positive. I might have some jade to make sure that they're generous and compassionate. I might have some Andean blue opal or another blue stone to make sure they're a good communicator. I might put some smoky quartz there to also make sure that they're quite grounded. Whatever those things are, they're kind of like your clauses in your grid contract. So that is a simple way of making a grid, but the clear quartz plays a really great role in either bringing energy in or sending energy out. So in a nutshell, it's your directional crystal within your grid. So let me know, have you made grids before and have they worked really well for you? Or has this simple explanation inspired you to make your first grid? Give it a shot and come back and let me know how it goes within the next few weeks. I'll talk to you really soon. Take care and blessed be.